Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Slow Life, Mind and Body channel. We are your guide to a balanced mind and body, bringing you tips and information to support a healthy lifestyle every day. Let's make today a great day by focusing on our well-being together. Now, let's dive into today's topic. Title: The Charms of Meditation and Relaxation: Ways to Release Stress. In today's busy and stressful modern society, meditation and relaxation are gaining attention as effective means to contribute to mental stability and health. Many people face pressures from work and family life, struggling to maintain a balance of mind and body. In such circumstances, meditation and relaxation can serve as powerful tools to alleviate stress and restore harmony to our lives. This article explores the basics of meditation and relaxation, and elucidates how these practices can positively impact our daily lives. Let's take the first step towards a more fulfilling life, free from stress through meditation and relaxation. Meditation and relaxation are powerful tools that can bring significant benefits to our mind and body. Through these practices, it becomes possible to reduce stress, refresh the mind and body, and enhance overall well-being. However, to maximize their effectiveness, consistent practice and strong commitment are required. Through regular practice, meditation and relaxation can serve as foundations for managing stress in our daily lives and leading a calmer and more balanced life. Stress reduction. Meditation and relaxation bring tranquility to the mind and body by lowering the levels of stress hormones that build up in the body during stressful situations. Specifically, these practices activate the parasympathetic nervous system, calming the activity of the sympathetic nervous system responsible for stress responses, thereby promoting stabilization of heart rate and lowering blood pressure. This helps alleviate physical symptoms induced by stress, such as headaches, insomnia, and muscle tension. Moreover, meditation enhances mindfulness, teaching us to focus on the present moment, thus alleviating the sense of stress by detaching from past regrets or future worries. Furthermore, relaxation techniques, particularly deep breathing and body scan meditation, calm the mind and improve self-coping abilities when experiencing stress. These methods can be practiced in a short period and easily incorporated into daily life. As a result, individual reactivity to stress decreases, leading to increased calmness, heightened concentration, and a less accumulation of stress in life. Mind and body refreshment. Mind and body refreshment is another significant benefit provided by meditation and relaxation. Meditation provides rest to the brain, aiding in recovery from mental fatigue and information overload experienced in everyday life by guiding individuals into deep relaxation states. This period of silence calms excessive brain activity, restoring clarity of thought and improving concentration. Additionally, relaxation techniques, especially progressive muscle relaxation or yoga, relieve muscle tension, deliver oxygen to deeper parts of the body, and promote energy recovery. These practices also contribute to improving sleep quality, ensuring adequate energy for activities the following day. Regular meditation and relaxation effectively alleviate mental and physical fatigue, transforming daily life into a more vibrant one. Emotional stability. One of the most prominent effects brought about by meditation and relaxation is emotional stability. Meditation, particularly mindfulness meditation, enhances self-awareness and nurtures the ability to observe current emotions and thoughts objectively. This allows recognition, acceptance, and appropriate handling of emotions without being overwhelmed by them, promoting positive moods and reducing stress, anxiety, and depressive symptoms. Additionally, relaxation calms the mind by relaxing the body, thus gently moderating emotional fluctuations. This process contributes to improving relationships, reducing stress in interpersonal interactions, and building resilience against daily challenges. By regularly practicing meditation and relaxation, one can cultivate emotional stability and a positive self-image, significantly enhancing the quality of life. While meditation and relaxation practices offer numerous benefits, there are also some drawbacks. Initially, it may be challenging to improve concentration, or the mind may wander during meditation. Additionally, integrating these habits into daily life takes time and requires commitment to regular practice. For those expecting immediate results, the process until results may seem challenging. However, it is essential to understand that continuous effort and patience ultimately yield significant benefits. Simple meditation practice. To begin meditation, one can start with a simple method based on deep breathing. This practice is accessible anytime, anywhere, and requires no special equipment or lengthy preparation. To start, find a quiet place. Adopt a comfortable sitting posture, close your eyes, and focus on your natural breath. Concentrate on the inhalation and exhalation, becoming aware of the process as the air passes through your body, fills your lungs, and is released outward. When the mind wanders to other thoughts, gently redirect your focus to the breath. This simple meditation can start with 5 minutes, and gradually extend over time. Through regular practice, one can experience increased mental calmness and concentration. This practice will help learn the basics of meditation and assist in stress management in daily life. Relaxation techniques. Specific relaxation techniques include progressive muscle relaxation, PMR, and yoga. PMR involves sequentially tensing and then relaxing muscles throughout the body, releasing overall tension. To practice, begin by tensing muscles from the toes to the head, then relax them. Through this process, tension in the body eases, and the mind regains composure. On the other hand, yoga combines breath and movement to balance the mind and body. Yoga poses strengthen muscles, improve flexibility, and promote mental tranquility by encouraging deep breathing. Integrating these techniques into daily relaxation practices reduces stress levels and enhances overall mind and body health. Integration into daily life. Tips for integrating meditation and relaxation into daily life include starting with short periods and establishing routines. For example, find moments during daily commutes or breaks to practice a few minutes of deep breathing, or engage in relaxation exercises before bedtime. It is essential to find natural times to practice within one's life. Additionally, creating a comfortable and quiet meditation space at home supports meditation and relaxation habits. Furthermore, utilizing meditation apps or online classes can deepen practice while receiving guidance. Through daily practice, meditation and relaxation gradually become part of life, fostering resilience against stress, and promoting mental and physical well-being. Conclusion. Meditation and relaxation are effective means to maintain mental and physical health in today's stress-filled society. Through these practices, we can experience benefits such as stress reduction, mind and body refreshment, and emotional stability. However, realizing these effects requires consistent practice and commitment, and immediate results may not be expected. Challenges such as initial difficulty in concentration or time required for habituation may exist. But overcoming these challenges enables the realization of a higher quality of life. The specific practices of meditation and relaxation are easy for beginners to start, and can be easily integrated into daily life. Techniques such as deep breathing meditation, progressive muscle relaxation, and yoga contribute to reducing stress levels and enhancing concentration and energy. Furthermore, incorporating these practices into daily life strengthens the ability to cope with emotional fluctuations and promotes mental and physical health. While meditation and relaxation do not yield immediate results, regular practice enables the realization of their benefits. While it may initially seem challenging, patience and commitment are crucial for habituation and continuity. Through this process, liberation from stress, restoration of mind and body harmony, and enhancement of overall well-being are achievable. Through this article, the benefits of meditation and relaxation in daily life have been elucidated, providing readers with specific steps and insights. In the midst of stressful days, meditation and relaxation serve as powerful tools to maintain mental and physical health, offering readers the opportunity to manage stress and lead fulfilling lives. I sincerely hope that readers will embrace these practices and enjoy fulfilling days through them. Thank you for watching the Slow Life, Mind and Body channel today. We're here to provide you with content that enriches your day-to-day life, focusing on health and happiness. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe.